morning everybody. In this paper we will discuss a question on structure which is asked in May 2014 paper. Let us read the question carefully. Here in this question we have to create a structure within structure which will contain these many elements in it. So structure within structure means nested structure. What are the elements that they have mentioned? First one is employee code, then name, then salary and date of joining. And we have to write a program to read at least 10 records and display them. So if we concentrate on this last parameter, date of joining can be again split into three different parts. So date of join may contain three different parts, like first one is actual day, then month and then year of joining. So we will create here structure within structure. Let us continue with program. So here I have already included header files. So within main, initially we have to define our outer structure. So how to define structure? We have to use keyword struct space. We have to give name to the structure. So let's give name to structure as EMPL. You can give any name. I have given name here for the structure as EMPL. So how many parameters we have to consider according to question? First one is employee code. So for storing employee code, I am defining one variable. Then we have to store name. So name is a string. So if we want to store string, then we have to define character array. So employee name, suppose size 100. Then third parameter given is salary. So salary will be again an integer. So employee salary. And one more parameter they have given, that is date of joining. But as I said earlier, date of joining can be again split into three parts. First part is actual day, then month and then year. So for that purpose, here we will create one more structure within this structure with the name, say suppose date of joining. Now here within this structure we have to define parameter of this DOJ structure. So as I discussed earlier, it is divided into three subpart, where first subpart is actual day, then second subpart is month and last subpart is year. Then close this. Now actually according to question, how many records we have to store? We have to store 10 records. So here we have to define array of structure with size 10 and then semicolon. Here I close this inner structure. Now we have to close outer structure as well. So this employee structure I am closing here at this point. And again now we have to define array of size 10 because we have to store 10 records. So this is called as nested structure because here we define structure within structure, where outer structure is EMPL and inner structure is date of joining. So next part is now we have to use a for loop for storing records of 10 employees. So in for loop we will require one variable. So let's define that variable I, then clear screen. Now how to write for? How many times we have to iterate this for? 10 times because we have to store 10 records. So how to write this for? I is equal to 0, then I less than 10 and then I plus plus. So what is purpose of this for loop? It is used to store records in structure. Okay. So initially we have to store what? Employee code, then employee name, then employee salary, and date of joining of first employee, then second employee, then third employee, fourth employee to last employee. So initially we will take employee code from user. So for that we have to display one message here for user. How to display message? Printf. Here you have to display message like enter code of first employee. Initially first, then second, then third, then fourth. So in general here we have to write percent d employee, and that percent d value we will take from I plus 1 because initial value of I is 0. So after getting this message, user at first iteration, user will enter code of first employee. So we have to store that code. So for storing, which function we are using? Scanf. So what we have to store? Code. And what is the type of employee code? It is integer. So in scanf here we have to write percent %d. And what will be name of location where employee code is stored? Here this is an array. So e of 0.ec. Okay, so here we have to write like this, and e of 0. So initially 0, then 1, then 2. So we will take it from I. E of I dot ec semicolon. So here give slash n so that properly it will just display message. So done with employee code. Similarly, we have to display message for taking employee name as well. So in the same way here, just display message enter name of first employee. So first in general we will write percent d employee, then slash n, okay, and then that percent again just like first printf we will take it from I plus 1. Okay, and then what is the name of location where we have to store the name of first employee? It is what? E of 0.en. So 0 will take from I, so E of I dot en. How to type scanf here? Scanf employee name. What is the type of employee name? It is string. So format specifier will be %s comma, then we have to write and what? E of I dot this employee name, this variable name, so en semicolon. In the same way take down employee salary, so printf enter salary of percent d employee. Here you can give slash n limited complete comma I plus 1. Okay, and then we have to write scanf. We are taking salary, so salary type is integer, that's why format specifier is percent d, and the name of location is and e of I dot this variable name employee salary, so es semicolon. And finally, after taking employee salary, now we have to take date of join. But date of joining, date of joining, we have to take three different parts of this date of joining. That is actual day, month, and year. So here in general, again just like first printf, here we'll just display message for user like enter date of joining. Here actually we can display this message in this way as well. Enter day, comma, month and year. Date of joining of percent d employee, of date of joining of percent d employee. So here you can give slash n and that percent value again, just like row printf, will take it from address 1. So see here, after getting this message, enter day, month and year. Actually, how many values user will enter? User will enter first day, actual day, then month of that particular month and particular year. So three values user will enter after getting this message. So now see here how to write its scanf. Scanf, three values we are expecting. So what are those three values? Date, month and year, and their type is integer. So here three times we have to write percent d. Okay, now this first percent is for day, second for month and third percent is for year. Now see where actually we have to store the day of joining of first employee at this point. So see here how to write its location name. Here we have to write and e of I dot, actually E of I, date of joining is a subpart of employee. So here you have to write like and E of I dot D of I dot dd. This is actually the location where actual day will get stored. Similarly, where month will get stored, it is and E of I dot D of I dot mm. Where year will get stored is stored at and E of I dot D of I dot y. That's it. So this for loop, see how this for loop will be executed at 0, 0 less than 10 to come inside. So this message will be displayed, enter code of percent d employee. So I is 0, 0 plus 1. So this will become 1. So this message will become enter code of first employee. So user will enter some code and that code will get stored at this location. Which location? I is 0 initially. So E of 0 dot EC is the name of the location where the code of first employee will get stored. Similarly, at this location name will get stored, then salary and then date of joining. Now this for loop is used for storing records. Similarly, we have to use one more for loop. Again, that for loop we have to iterate for 10 times. Now what is use of this for loop is, it is used to display records. So now see, before writing this for loop, here we can write one normal printf. We can display message for user like details of all employees slash n. Yeah, and then this for loop. So this for loop is basically we are using for display of all records, and this first for loop we use, this for loop is used to store record and this is to display record. See here now how to display. We have to display record like code of first employees, then name of first employees, then salary of first employee, and then date of joining of first employee. Okay, so same parameters we have to display of all 10 employees. See here how to write this second for printf. Here we have to display what message like code of first employee. So percent d employee is, actually see this is for first, second, third display, and here after this employees we have to display code. Okay, so what is the type of employee code? It is integer at this point. So again here we have to write percent d. Now see how many times we use percent here. We use percent d 2 times. So this percent d will represent this percent d will represent employee number first employee, second employee, third employee. Likewise, how many employees we are having? 10 employees. And this percent is for display of actual code of that first employee. So here first variable name will be I plus 1, and second variable is actually the name of the location where the employee code is stored. So where employee code is stored? At this location. So this is second form of printf. So e of, here we have to write I dot ec. Okay, so this will display employee code of first employee. Then at second iteration, this will display employee code of second employee, and so on. So after employee code, now we have to display what? Employee name. So in the same way, name or percentage employee is. Then after that, actually name we have to display, and type of name is string. So format specifier is %s. Here /n, name of the location where the name of the employee is stored is this one, e of I dot en. So in general here write e of I dot en. Now we have to display employee salary. So printf, here you can display message like salary or percentage employee is. So this is again percentage, and then we can give /n. First percentage will take its value from I plus 1, and name of the location where salary is stored is e of I dot es. Okay, now after display of employee salary, now we have to display employee date of joining. Okay, but date of joining is divided into 3 parts. Okay, and every part we store in different location. Okay, so see here how to write printf. Therefore this printf date of joining percentage employee is. Actually that date is divided in 3 different parts. So and type of that part is integer. So here we have to write, see, percentage so this percentage will be employee number, and these 3% is first percent is for day, second for month, and last one is for year. So total 4 variables we have to mention here. Okay, so see here, this percentage is a employee number, so employee number will take it from I plus 1 variable. Okay, then this percentage is actually day of joining. So day of joining, where it is stored, e of I dot d of I dot dd. So you have to write this e of I dot d of I dot dd. Okay, similarly now we have to display month. So name of the location of month is e of I dot d of I dot mm. So e of I dot d of I dot mm, and in the same way display year as well. So e of I dot d of I dot year, and then rounded bracket complete, semicolon. Here you can give /n for auto display, and then close this for loop. Now after closing this for loop, here I am closing main. Okay, now how many records we are storing? We are storing 10 records, but for simplicity, as per the question, we have to store 10 records, but for simplicity here I am reducing number. Okay, instead of storing records of 10 employees, we will store records of, suppose, 3 employees. for 4 employees. Okay, then here also that 10 we have to replace by 4, so here less than 4, so in second for loop I less than 4. So just for the sake of simplicity I am reducing the number of records. So once again go through program. Here we define structure EMPL with 4 parameters. First parameter is code, then name, then salary, and third parameter is actually again divided into 3 different parts. That is date of joining, then day, month and year. Sorry. Then using this for loop I am taking code, then name, then salary, and then date of joining with 3 different parts, and then using second for loop I am going to display all. Now let us compile this program. Zero error. Now execute. So it is asking for code of first employee. Okay, let us assume that code of first employee is 101. Then enter name of first employee, suppose Amit. Then enter salary of first employee, say suppose it is 1000. Enter day, month and year of date of joining of first employee. So first of all, suppose joining date is 10th of May 2010. Then how to write this? See, first of all, day 10. Then you have to give space, and then month. So May means 5th month, space, year of joining, suppose 2010. So this 10 will get stored, first 10 will get stored at different location, 05 at different location and 2010 again at different location. So likewise it will ask for second employee, so code is 102, name is Amol, salary is suppose 2000, and date of joining is suppose 10th of January 2017. Similarly, it is asking for records of third employee. So its code, let us assume that it is 103. Name is suppose Manoj. Then salary is 3000 and date of joining suppose 15th of August 2011, and it is asking for now last employee, fourth employee. So code says suppose 104. Then it is asking for name of fourth employee, suppose Monali. Then salary of fourth employee, suppose 4000. Then date of joining, say suppose 12th of April 2014. Now we have provided our details. Now those details will get stored in memory, and then because of second for loop it will just display all the details. Let's compile this program once again and execute this program once again. So first employee 101, name of the first employee Amit, salary 1000. Then let us enter date of joining in this way. Okay, 10th of, this is a day, then month, suppose 4th month and 2019. Okay, second employee, code is 102, name is Amol, salary is 2000, and provide write date in this format. Suppose 24th is the day, 2nd is the month, and 2016 is the year. Similarly, third employee, then name, suppose Manoj, and salary 3000, and finally the date of joining is 14th of, suppose, March 2012, and last employee, that is 104, so Manali, then salary, and then date of joining, say suppose 20th of February 2000, suppose 16. Okay, so here issue is with the date of joining. Compile. So here see, this is how we are getting output. So details of all employees, code of first employee is 101, name of first employee is Amit, then salary of first employee is 1000. Similarly, it is displaying all the records of all the employees. Okay, so why we are not getting static output? Because here we forgot to mention get ch. So mention get ch, and once again compile. Okay, and then execute. So 101, Amit, salary 1000, date of joining 10/4/2011, then 102, Amol, salary 2000, date of joining suppose 23rd March 2017. So third employee code, suppose Manoj, then salary 3000, and then date of joining 11th of, suppose, April 2014, and last employee code, suppose 104, name of the employee Manali, then salary, it is 4000, and the date of joining, it is suppose 13th of March 2018. So here it has just displayed all the details. So this is all about our first program, where we discuss the question that are asked in the university exam. That's all for now. Thank you for watching my tutorial.